Hello and welcome to Hemisphere Cars. My name's Juan Cobos and I'm your host. We do videos on cars, trucks, jeeps, equipment, tractors, and other devices. I hope you enjoy this video, so let's get to it. Okay, so what do we have here? We have my T240 garden tractor. And what's the problem today? The problem today is this thing's not working anymore. So the throttle choke is not working. Can I get it out by hand? I don't care, I'm going to rip it off now. There, you can see I was trying to repair it earlier. It's finally failed completely, and I bought a new one. Okay, so today we're going to replace that with the new one, and I'll go over the procedure. It's pretty simple. I think like 99% of the people out there can do this without a problem. All right, so I have a new package. I should say I have a package with the new part in it. Let's get that open. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it by hand. Let's see. So, wow, it doesn't want to come out. Okay, well, there it is. I'll tear that apart and we'll get started. The rest of this is mostly going to be done from the tripod view. All right. So normally when you remove this, there's tabs. You just press on the tabs. Oh, there's 4 tabs. Press it in, try it out. In case you had to lube it or something, or adjust something. Now I have to remove all this duct tape. Just have the cable that I'll be working with. Okay, there. And wow, that came apart easily, huh? Yeah, because it's broken. Okay, so you can see the tabs. There's 4 tabs on these things. This lever, the wire thing goes in that hole right there. That hole is not normally there, the one on top there, because I drilled that to try to make it work after it was failing. So let's get the new one, and I'm going to take off the hood because it's in the way. So the hood comes off. So the hood comes off easily. It's just a lift off, pull back. So no problem there. And the wire goes around there, circles through here, goes through that loop thing, bracket, comes around, and you have, it looks like a Torx screw. So there's the new unit. See the hook on the end, and I'm gonna remove this first with some WD-40, since the other one was so stiff, and I think that's what caused the lever to fail with the connection coming off. It was just too much stress on everything. Okay, so let's get some WD-40 and do that. Okay, so I'm getting this thing. Let's see. Well, it actually has a seal on it. So I moved this rubber cover up a bit so I can get the WD-40 in there. Okay, what am I doing here? I'm shaking the WD-40 can because actually that's what the instructions say. And I don't think too many people read that part. Okay, so let's soak in. I'm even going to put some on here. Oh yeah, that feels smoother. That definitely helped. So putting WD-40 on there really helped. So we have friction both in the cable and with the lever action. Clean that off. Yeah. Okay, so I got a couple of these Torx bits and I measured it as T25. And there we go. Now let's see if I can unhook this. There we go, easy enough. Okay. So it looks like there's a hole there, just goes down there. And then we'll work it through everything. And there's enough room to reach in. So there's enough room to reach in, so I reached in, grabbed it, just pull that one out. The cable itself doesn't look too bad. Let's put it around here. Alright, well, wow. It's almost completely in already, and just push it in. Well, that was easy. Okay, so now we'll fiddle around and try and get the throttle adjusted to the right location as far as how much throttle, how much choke. I wasn't sure of the route of this cable, so I reviewed my video from earlier. It just goes around here. And it's real close to this exhaust, but apparently that's how it works. So let's get this thing hooked up again. Okay, so we get this clamp again. The long part goes on top. The cable goes through here on the bottom of the screw. Put that in and adjust it. again, T25 Torx. Okay. I really don't like the way that cable moves around. So I carry this size with me in the tractor. So let's just try it. Okay, I'll tighten that down as soon as I get in the right position. Alright, I'm going to check the throttle choke response. And it seems to go all the way in and all the way out. So all the way out is choke, all the way in is throttle. Alright. See if that works. Okay, the ignition on choke. Alright, that worked just fine. So let's button this up. Okay, it's nice and snug. Easy enough. Okay, let's start this again. Okay, it's nice to have the throttle back and working again. I actually had planned to do the light switch before I did the throttle and choke, but things didn't work out that way because the throttle broke. Okay, maybe there'll be a video soon with the light switch installation. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment, because I don't do everything perfectly, and I'm not worried about comments. Please comment and tell me what you think would help to make the procedure smoother. Thank you. I installed this 50 caliber ammo box here as a toolbox the other day. and it seems to be working out quite well. Just have to pull the seat up. See, I can throw a bunch of tools in there. So if you want to see the installation, I'll have to take it all apart again and do that for you, but it's pretty simple. I drilled 2 holes into the body after I measured what would work on the box. Use a punch to get everything in the right spot, and that's about it. Use the ruler to, and a level to get things even. Aside from that, it wasn't much. Also, I added this plate for reinforcement so the box wouldn't bend. So you can see there's more stress. This is only like maybe 3/32 thick. I think it's a little over 1/16, but I'm not sure. And it's waterproof. Locks up. Well, it closes like a locks. Like doesn't actually require a padlock or anything like that. So it's outside. Somebody could come along and take the tools if they're that desperate.